welcome to the Culture Convo podcast, the upcoming of greatness. Dango.
Hey, gents, boys and girls know who it is. Don't check by different versions. And Dame. Let's check and welcome back to another episode of Culture Convo podcast.
Nice, beautiful, grandfather host, Uhlatuliso Sotho Jambase. Thank you, sir.
Danko, and we are back with another news. Usilethibo Dambile has reached a milestone of running for 15 seconds under 150 meters race yakhe. Let me just double check very quick. Let me just double check very quick. Yes, a huge milestone. Sinethibo Dambile becomes the first South African to run the 150 meters in under 15 seconds. I feel like yes. We should that is. I feel like that is a very big milestone. To be honest, I thought you had something to acknowledge.
And also, I would like to acknowledge umkhuluwa wethu, Mr. Zinzi Mngxongo Mesele on Facebook.
Yes.
He has done a walk from East London. June 16, he's done a walk from East London to King Williamstown. And the aim of the walk was to raise awareness and say no to drugs, no to school violence, education phambili, and we really acknowledge you, Bhuti Omdala. Uyasikhuthaza.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. And also, I just figured out, I just remembered, lately we do not acknowledge our sponsors. Shout out to Baza Photographer, the main sponsor along with Istibis Julie. Thank you so much for sponsoring us. We are able to shoot, we are able to actually capture all these angles. Basically, looking good over there on that camera.
Looking good at the camera.
Yes,
right, man.
Yeah, otherwise, how are you doing? I'm trying for that.
Khotman nama ndi-grand man. Khotman nice, ivukile, ihlambile, i-trend as usual. Qha kuyabanda man. Ezi fever ziyasibulala man.
Kuyabanda Chambers.
Makuselwa amayeza efever nto zobawo singangxolelani eziteksini. I know niyagula but nalanto ubukhohlelelwa kusasa ayingolayi.
It's not nice.
Ayikho nice lanto. Ikhemist ivulele wonke umuntu naseklinikhi kuvuliwe uba nifumane amayeza efever. Sanusingxolela eziteksini. Selani bethu imihlonyana yonke into for ifever. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Are we good? Okay. This one there's. Okay.
Thetha man.
Okay. So lately we've I think we've all seen Okanya came across the Netflix series Polygamist.
Yes. Polygamist.
Polygamist. Yes.
sir.
Thank you so much.
Yes, sir.
Because now they think about no. You get
Polygamist.
ndiyakwazi ukuzishayinisa
Kaloku andifuni uba ube wrong English wena mqwathi.
Yes.
Mandikulungise njengamhlobo wakho. It's called polygamist. Yes, sir.
Yes. And another been seen. But
Ayilibali Pride Month.
yes.
Before singene kude emxholweni singabethwa ba singathethi.
Singa acknowledge Pride
Yes,
Month.
sir.
Us as Culture Convo podcast, we are saying Happy Pride Month to all genders, to all rainbow.
Yes, to all the genders. We acknowledge the LGBTQ community.
Community.
Yes.
Rainbow.
Yeah.
Yes.
But I think it's the Rainbow Nation.
Is it a society?
Rainbow
Nation or society?
Rainbow Society, sir.
Yes.
But we say Happy Pride Month to
Yeah,
all
we are saying
genders.
Happy Pride Month.
Kuzo zonke
Kuzo
genders.
zonke genders. We do acknowledge genders zenu. We do acknowledge genders zenu, and also we would
Pronouns.
like pronouns. Yes, pronouns. Very important.
Them, they, now. Yes,
Us.
bonke. Yes.
Bonke.
Yes, sir.
So we're doing. Hopefully, guys, it develops, and also you educate abantu ngaloo nto.
Yeah.
You get, because I feel like now I'm also personally, I feel like I just need to be educated because I lack the understanding of each other's needs because of what I believe in. And I do like for people to understand ukuthi believing, not believing in something, it doesn't mean abanye abantu should not do it. I may not understand the genders, but it doesn't necessarily mean ukuthi as you go to genders okanye those people that are under those genders are not important okanye asibonile as abantu, you get.
You may not believe in them,
Yes.
but does not mean kuba wena ungabelieve mayingenziwa loo nto ikhona iyenzeka.
Yes.
Kwaye the people abakuyo saba acknowledge like happy Pride Month,
Happy
guys,
Pride Month,
man.
guys. But no further ado, yeah, I want us to talk about the series that I mentioned. Now, we are seeing a different. I am getting different things via Nakula film omna personally, because now I see parents that are neglecting abantwana babo. I see a man that is not loyal to his wife. I see a wife that is desperate for love, okanye that wants to keep
Loyal, i-vows
somtshato
Somtshato,
till
uyazigcina.
death do us apart.
ebubini nasebumnandini.
Yes, but let's attack to ebubini nasebumnandini. When I personally, I know about skatshadang and stuff, but when I personally, what do you think, okanye, how do you feel about la part of ebubini nasebumnandini? Does it mean ukuthi la level ka Jonas afike kuyo shoot a girl anyamezele lanto?
Mqwathi emtshatweni mntakwethu xa sesithetha emtshatweni ngalo mqwathi kudibene ukufa nokuphila phaya.
Yes.
Uyawo into umzekelo if ibingengoJonas besenza lana bizaba inkosikazi eyenza lana bekunyanzelekile bahlale phansi bayilungise babone intoni eyenza ba uJonas enze lana.
Yes.
They must identify the source of the problem bayixozulule as but land it only took uJonas eze phambili azixele bandinje. Uyabo azixele atsho athi ndiyayivuma uba ndinayo ingxaki because umntu awuncedike engxakini ungekayivuma uba ndinayo.
Bawundinayo ingxaki.
Exactly.
And also I feel like it also taught us about enye disability okanye illness that abantu bayibone kancinci. I feel like he's lacking emotional intelligence in terms of in terms of indlela aziphatha ngayo. There is no decent human being, from what I believe in, there's no decent human being can actually go through to that extent of cheating.
Ayo cheating, mental illness leya mqwathi.
You get?
It's a thing beyond cheating, mental illness leya. Akho mntu nokwenza lando on the right mind, on the right state of mind. Wenze lando ubhuqe kwasanto man ngathi uqeshiwe.
Ubhuqe kwasalo.
Yeah.
Because
it is not in the good mental state lamchita lo one.
Hey mfondini, asisomdala sisomncinci mntana.
Kukho lo umncinci kwaqala bayitshomi yomntanakhe ena 8 years. Wonyuka. Ngoku umntana xa lisele mdala uJonas nanku ebona
ba ngoyaye njengani awuphilile ngoku zindoni
awuqeshiwe hayi uqeshiwe uJonas
zindoni but yeah but also I just want to ask kanye to get your knowledge ukuthi kanye POV on how do you feel about parents neglecting about needs zabantwana babo, like the basic needs, the needs of affirmation, the needs of being loved, taking care of yonke women, of being a present parent emntaneni wakho? How do you feel about that?
Yingxaki mqwathi leya. The moment umzali angabi there for umntana like for emotional support zininzi mqwathi ingxaki eziye zizalwe yilanto.
Yeah.
Because if you could reference kwangale series sithetha ngayo mntakwethu.
Yes.
uJonas bobabini abantwana bakhe, especially the girl child. Umntana uza kuye njengatatakhe exposing her soft side.
Yeah.
Her soft side was not safe in her father's hands. Imagine. So umntana mntakwethu xa umdeveloper ne funeka uyazi ba funeka ndikwazi ba mna as umjita andikho wrong ngo-express indlela endiziva ngayo. The moment you program umntana ba urong ngo-expressa indlela aziva ngayo, uzawuthi sele mdala i-adult kubuza uba yintoni ingxaki yakhe exakile angayazi ingxaki okanye angathethi ngoba uyabhelieve uba hayi ndilelo ndiyiyo. It does not matter how I feel inside. So irongo lawo emqwathi iyabachana abantu they are hayi irongo mntakwethu.
Irongo because I feel like it goes to an extent of building a character mntana. Yeah. Because now I feel like my thoughts, how I feel, it doesn't really matter. Now, why should I be soft when it comes to people? Why should I be soft when it comes to people? I feel like London, it also comes to the discussion that I told you about of past relationships affecting your current relationship or your future relationships. Because now there are certain things that happened with last relationship yakho awungayazi about how to actually proceed without them.
Okay, kule ukuwe.
Yes.
Unyanisile Mqwathi. Imagine Mqwathi nje iba ne picture you were in a relationship whereby idrama yinto ekhiwa ngabantu ukubona lokho kuthiwa hayi idrama kukokwayo apha. Imagine every day niyaxabana if you do not nixabane verbal okanye physical. Now that ukwenye ngoku intsha azikho zoyi-2 ezona akuxatyana verbal akuxatyana physical wena okawuyazi uba le relationship enjani lena whereby asizolo asizothini so yile nto uyithethayo mntu ifana nobe kwi-relationship apho athe wachitelwa khona ngoku little inconvenience eyenzekayo kulena akuyo sele assume uba hayi ubethwa phandle so uliqonda uba awusezitratweni
uyaget
kanti no.
I think when I've experienced something like that. Because the minute you date or Jonas abaninzi, you forget that there are actually good girls apparently. Now, Lord, it creates a certain insecurity of actually not being able to trust your girlfriend, not being able to actually trust your partner in terms of loving you, in terms of making sure ukuthi uyathandwa umbone nendlela aziphatha ngayo.
Exactly. Hayi mntakwethu yo laa nto uba i-past relationship yakho ibe wrong uthi soluphathwa grand uqonde ndiyabhanca manam uyaziqhathela xa self-sabotage uqonda man ndiyabhanca manam.
Now in that situation, what is i-role yendoda in a relationship? Now sikule situation inje. Ndifumana a girlfriend that loves me, but I have insecurities that I do not know how to actually love, or I do not actually know how to love my certain individual. Ukuthi uyangithanda ndiyakuthanda masenze njani now. What do you feel like a role of a man relationship it like injani?
Dakwethu, for me my role kwi-relationship umzekelo sethi kuthethwe ngam.
Yes.
I have to provide. I must be there as the provider. I provide support, emotional support.
Yes.
Yeah, wanna like some financial support. Funeka kuleyo indawo madoda i-financial support funeka ibe khona kwi-relationship. Ayo relationship ongakukhuphe nesenti yini umthi nje onye umntana yabo akave kamandi. Yeah, but I must be there to provide for her. I must be there as inansika to protect her. Ibalekile lona intombi yakho ukwazi uyimela uyiprotect intombi yakho ukuthi hayi Mqwathi ngentombi yakho. Yes, and then le sithathu mntakwethu must be nourish her umphathe kakuhle noko ibe nguwe. Andithi xa kukho relationship ndandikhe ndava utata othile, I think I was at a funeral, wathi la tata xa nitshata kaloku intombi yakho iyajika from intombi yakho iba ngumama wakho, wena uyajika from indoda yakhe to utata wakhe. Uyabona yena uzaba ngumama kuwe, wena uzaba ngutata kuye. That's why you have to protect, provide and nourish her. Yeah.
Yes, and just to add on that, Jambas, I feel like because in a land of respect is very important. And trusting, because again I had a conversation with you. I do not feel like there is a relationship, there is love without trust. Because the minute I commit myself to omnye umuntu, that means niyamthemba with my heart. Because heart is a very sensitive part of our body. So it's a matter of just trusting your person. Just giving, hey, like trust about Jonga and tell hey, if it's on the but I trust you. So it's a matter of representing each other. I am here representing my girlfriend. She is there representing me. Because it's a matter of just us representing each other and actually knowing ukuthi no, they can't speak with about and then just shut up. Okay, because I think I've seen a thing or a video on Facebook, if I'm not mistaken, of Namazana Ekubekile because umyeni wakhe neetshomi zakhe zimhleka. Yo nguye lo awungeke
njani yo
zicinga yena uphumile erumini.
hayi madoda
I can't ayikwazi ngayo.
Awuyayazi umnqwazi hayi masukrwele umca
masukrwele umca. There has be boundaries but
unyanisile
nomntu wam noba userong nalaa nto uba nathi asizozilungisele phambi kwabantu. If mhlawumbi nguyo wrong now if ngathi kuyaqheleka mancezana masilwe
khetha yena kaloku nguba utshila nje kuye wathi yamthanda ufuna uba khona ebomini bakhe.
Ndandidicayidile ngemini ethile mandiye kuye.
So ufuneka umprotecte mntakwethu umrespecte futhi asinohlekisa ngayo khona.
Andikwazi ndiyalwa andikwazi
ulwanyani ingxaki ulwanyani
andikwazi
kulungile.
Yeah, so speaking about the relationships, there's omnye utata apha. I can't actually expose igama lakhe.
Sure.
He commented on one of my posts on Facebook.
Sure.
Uthi Jack sisemazwe sifuna abafazi apho sizalwakho edimbaza but angazi ndengenza kanjani. So ayikho a platform ongayenza or dating app yasedimbaza.
Uthi uGotman usemazweni.
Yes.
But ufuna uthatha umuntu apho asuka
khona. Mina ngifuna umuntu bedimbaza.
Induku enhle igawula ezizweni but ufuna igawula apha edimbaza.
Kaloku yena yes, yena usemazweni. So ufuna ugawula induku back home. Now he's asking ingona ndiyifunda kahle lento uba he's asking me ukuthi ayikho
na i-platform. Hayi mqwathi mayingabi masingade siyise epini. Yo bekumele uba uyasinika permission yodropa ihandle yakhe uyabona.
Abazokwazi kuya papa mjozi.
Bazokwazi bakhona sisi tata. Siphendula wena tata obekekileyo. Bakhona sisi baninzi. Bakhona hayi bakhona tata awusoze uphoswe. You can come to Dimbaza, get yours free, get one. Get one free. No, he is umuntu omdala silapha eDimbaza bakhona sisi but mqwathi
yes
nyani man kumele biba khona. Kaloku the thing is awukwazi ufuna osisi then singakwazi thina ungasiniki access oba size nosisi kuwe.
I think
bazawukhomenta mhlawumbi.
No, I think mandilenduke andiyazi but I feel like it's a matter of like no, I didn't consult
kuthiwa
with him.
matchmaker
Mandiye but come on, make matchmaker. So girls please go ikhona enye post ndithethile about me returning to business and stuff like that. Jongani pha man nizombona la bhuti phana
ukhona ubhuti girls.
Yes, ukhwele ibands pha ngakutshaya iprofile yakhe ubambe isitele sebands. Yes, so Thomas otherwise siqede sigqayile lapho. But I do think ukuthi you had something you wanted us to discuss.
Ewe bhuti actually one of our viewers uyabona our subscribers approachile wena mqwathi mntakwethu. He's a male, first of all. Yeah, he's a male. Since it's June, Men's Mental Health Awareness Month, was ingxaki echana amajita amaninzi. I think, and we barely talk about it as amajita. Asithethi kakhulu ngayo. The issue is anomkhaya apha kum. Umkhaya uyanibhalela mqwathi. Uyandibuza because there has been videos roaming around the internet whereby amajita ufumaniseke exhatshazwa okanye ebethwa. Umjita abethwe ngokurhaneleka ngathi ngumlingani wakhe. So uyabuza umkhaya as a man uyabethwa mqwathi ngokule relationship ukuyo okanye uyabethwa mqwathi emtshatweni. Uza kuyaphi mqwathi ufumana uncedo ngoba epolice station bowuyile surely uzawuhlekwa. Emajiteni buvelile surely uzawuhlekwa. What do we do? Why does our justice seemingly like it's failing us kwelo cala lokuba when a man is experiencing
such thing?
Akukho ndawo umzekelo if you can call any line umzekelo uxela ba hayi man ndiyabethwa apha inkosikazi uzawuhlekwa mqwathi ayithathelwa serious. There is a video yomjita ebethwa intombazane you will never see. Yabona thina if there is a video yomjita ebetha intombi immediately sifuna ukwazi ba ngumjita wapi lo uhlala phi uyabona. Why does he he do such kwintombi but mayibe ngumjita yeba mayibe ngumjita ebethwa yintombazana akwenziwa njalo
yes.
Why is it so mqwathi? That's a cry out. That was a cry out.
Yeah.
But no man, why amajita engahoywanga?
Njenga wena Jambas. I just want to disclaim that yesterday we did shoot a episode. Maybe khona uGaba the same episode for this coming Sunday.
Yeah.
But unfortunately, due to technical difficulties with the sound, we had to restart it. Due to technical difficulties, we had to actually finish it.
Hey everyone, it's Miss B, the sweetest and fabulous honeybee. I am sweeter than honey itself. Before we dive deep into today's episode, I want us to take a moment and talk about something: mental health. Mental health is very important, and if you are struggling with depression or anxiety, know that you're not alone. Let's break the stigma and break the silence and talk about it. In front of me, I have two toll-free emergency helplines that you can call anytime you feel under the weather. This one is called Suicide Crisis Helpline. It is 080-567-567. I repeat, 080-567-567. Here we have the Department of Social Development Substance Abuse Helpline, 080-121314, 080-121314. They have an SMS number that is 32312, 32312. Let's break the stigma again and let's break the silence. Thank you.
Yes. So sorry guys, we just had to take a few minutes break because of any interview up. But coming back to your question, Jambas, Ugaba yesterday really spoke, or really mentioned something that is very powerful.
Yes.
Immense support
system.
Yes, support system. Because now I do come as a guy to you as my friend Uguti. Jambas, I have this problem. It might be a physical abuse, it might be a verbal or an emotional abuse.
Yes.
Now, what do we say, Tina, as a majita? How do we advise? How do we actually make sure that our friends are taken care of?
What?
Yes.
Uchilo ugaba izolo ethetha nathi wathi ugaba ukubana i-support system emajiteni sayileka.
Yes.
Uyabo?
Yes.
As a matter of fact, wena mqwathi, they must be wena mntakwethu umzekelo mna ndizawuthi ngoxa ndithetha, guys, if you don't have imali ye-therapist, e-clinic there are social workers phayana.
Yes.
Xa ibona uba hey lento iyanditya, uyabona, uhambe ku-social workers, and it's a matter of nani ixesha uyamazi umuntu onomxelela izinto mqwathi. Ndineetshomi ezininzi mqwathi, nawe unazo iitshomi ezininzi, but ndiyayazi uba hey xa ndihlutshwa yinto enje ukhona ubani. But the problem is mqwathi, omnye umuntu akanabani mqwathi, wehlelwa yile ngxaki.
Yeah.
Ngilaa nto ndithe ndathi ugaba before aze nalani uba i-support system ibalulekile, mna ndithe ndathi if ukhona umntu, anyone out there who's watching, sacela mhlawumbi if you know a number or you know a place whereby men can get help xa be-experience any sort of i-abuse, cela uzushiye inumber okanye ilink kwi-comments, amajita atsho abe grand man, because it's a touchy topic.
It's a touchy thing. Now, okay, yeah. I think we get younger Jambas. I would like us to jump into a very neglected thing, ne? Culture. Now I feel like as time goes, youth change, things are changing. Now we are forgetting our culture. There's a thing that I have in mind of into lobola. Lobola is it like, do you feel nowadays it is still important?
What ibalekile into yelobola.
Yes.
Ngoba mqwathi thina we just intend ba le mali siyikhuphayo umzekelo siyikhuphela ba iyotyiwa kokwabo like sithenga yena. That's not a good thing. umntana akaye object akathengwa ngalamali elobola but lamali elobola mna ngokolwam ulwazi la mali is some sort of insurance okanye assurance that should utata womntana njengoba etshatile nomama womntana asweleke okanye they breaking up la mali leyana ngoku sithi imali dala yayizinkomo ezankomo yayizoba zinkomo zofundisa la mntana should anything yenzeke kutatakhe kanye kumamakhe la mntana kuyazi unenkomo ukutya uzawusenga ezankomo ukuze afunde uzawuthengisa ezankomo so yayizinkomo as assurance for abantwana xa kuthe kwenzeka into ebazalini babo kubone nansi into yayidibanisa abazali babo ngoku we take it as if yimali ba umzelo utsho nawe xa umntana wentombi uthi ngalomntana ndifuna intontoni ngalomntana ndifuna intontoni of which it's not a good thing and mqwathi ibalekile into yelobola ba yenziwe ilobola hayi ibalekile mqwathi.
Yes, Thomas, I had a conversation with Oy. My girlfriend, yes.
Yes.
So I had a conversation. I had a conversation with her about lobola. I wonder, nowadays, because I do understand that back in the olden days, we are like, but after do you feel like because now but I can also do the same thing. Yes.
Ngokolwazi nje lwami ngoku if kuba kubhalwa phansi mos xa kuzawukho ilobola uba khona umuntu ongumabhalana i-minutes yonke laa nto but ke mqwathi phaa kulobola kaloku we have to uba umntana walapha ekhaya we have a standard price into ekhutshwayo umzelo ukuthi owalapha umntana xa eshiya ikhaya ulishiya ngeenkomo ezine omalume ngoku apha ebucikweni babo babona uba no simfundisile plus ezinye inkomo no umntana lapha uqeqeshekile unaso necertificate soba uselitshitshi umntana lapha ngakamoshwa plus ezinye inkomo wena mqwathi
bamosha ngokwena nabantu jena
kwezi kaloku jini asekhona abanye abantwana abanecertificate zabo mqwathi.
Okay, and that's good.
Of which nomalume bakho bazawuva ubahloniphile xa uyobacelisa intombi esenecertificate zayo uyabo bakhona abazithengayo no asithenga kwesa certificate umntana womuntu xa necertificate sakhe mathole saniba nomoya ba umntana womuntu necertificate sakhe plus inkomo phayana ngaphandleni ba ubuso umoshile ukuthi hayi ke mthathe mqwathi balekile.
Yes.
And kwezi nsuku umzekelo mna owami umntana oyintombi okanye ezami sisters ayikwazi ungabekwa lona ba simfundisile uyakwazi upheka uyahlonipha apha ekhaya bakahloniphi ufundiswe nguwe ungahloniphi ngoba simaze hlonipha uyabo kaloku siyakuxelela uba le nto ezinkomo sithi zikhuphe le ntoni uyabo.
And when Thomas, I am not against it ne?
Yes sir.
Now there is a thing of, do you feel like ukuthatha le home affairs nelobola ziyakonetha na? Because imagine now I take ulinuka wam short home affairs 75 rand simecaleni. Do you feel like all those zinto zimbini ziyadibana na?
Home affairs mqwathi andithi ufuna kube nengqini
ngathela no-X
uthatha u-X ayoba lingqina lakho uyabuya ekhaya ungena ne-girlfriend ngoba simazi intombi yakho i-girlfriend yakho le and i-girlfriend yakho ayizohamba iyopheka phaa ezikokuthi abantu bakokwabo lamnani babavile wena umthathile umntana wabo
siyinqinelene ingabe ndimbile kaloku siyinqinelene nomntana wabo
mamen wena unqinelana nentombi ba mayiye kokwenu ihambe iyopheka kokwenu uyihlamise izitya zakokwenu zomcimbi ungayicelanga kodata bayo eback uzawudliwa mqwathi kwelakhaya.
Yes,
uzawudliwa into ehambayo awuzodliwa into ehambayo. Balekile uqala ekhayeni lekwawo wabo umntana intombi
ndimthatha
uyocela ubuhlobo phaya awukwazi ba ni decide ne home affairs ubuye uzamnxibisa amadaki ahlamba imbiza utata ke ngayazi lo umntana nami uyokhama ifa idukwe pha yadliwa mqwathi kwelakhaya.
Hayi uyicacisa yadliwa. No, it is understandable and iyavakala. Now it comes to lento of I saw a topic on TikTok kanye I saw but unakwanithumelela about, do you feel like soulmates are it's a question that do soulmates exist or kanye is just timing.
Za exist mqwathi mina.
Oh, did you go to
Za exist. I-soulmate is khona mqwathi.
Isifumene ngathi ifumene yakho.
Ingxaka kufuna undihlaba imibuzo. I don't want to say anything, man. But isikhona i-soulmate. Ingxaki ijonga mqwathi.
Yes.
Hayi zikhona mqwathi i-soulmate.
Hey, hayi Chaman.
Hayi mqwathi hayi ezandleni hayi mqwathi hayi no.
Awuhephi malume.
Uhephi malume mntakwethu.
Yes.
No, they are soulmates bra. You hayi mqwathi. Hayi ngabhala incwadi. Hayi ngabhala incwadi zikhona i-soulmates mqwathi.
Yes. And yeah, now ngavumelana nawe.
Awukwazi ungavumi.
No, ndiyavumelana nawe Jambas.
Asisekhona man. Yeah. Uyabona lona Tapopo. Ndiyakwazi wena Tapopo. Ndithi ndihleli Tapopo. Uyabo ndimcinga Tapopo. Ndimcinga Tapopo. Ndicinge ndayicingayo Tapopo. Yo awazi noma Tapopo. Ngwamaphupho lo yoanomphiwe lona mntakwethu. Ayifuna ukuxoxisela.
Yes.
Ngwathi umoya wami uyawugetha. That's why I say i-soulmate yami. Hayi you hayi mqwathi you hayi khethile gone kanje bafana bami gone kanje
off the market
sanishile off the market khethile bafethu yabona
namaseyethekile
but andibuyi this time around ngofela khona into zobawo.
Yeah, I do feel and I even entire because now I've seen people that are soulmates and I think it's safe.
Nah, you know soulmate what?
Yeah, because from my experience currently in the moment, I found someone that I can share anything with.
Wow.
Do that. I have shared.
Wow.
I've shared something deep with her, and she decided to.
Yeah.
Because your man say that is good for you, someone that is made for you. When you share something deep with her that is actually a danger, but she decided to something that can ruin you guys, but she decided to
Yes.
Land of you guys being able to share energies.
Yes.
Like we connect. Same if drive was a we can actually land off sit jong 1 jong X.
She will
get it.
But it's fine. It's okay. It's part of the package.
It's part of the package. But yeah.
But
now I feel like it's safe to say I am off the market.
Hawu umkile mntakwethu. Ngone kanje nasemajiteni asisamazi. Asazi noma ekhaya simbole kanjani umqwadi kuye. Asisamazi nasemajiteni umnganami. So ikumfaka ekuthetheni.
Kaloku funeke kumane kuqonda kupha.
Ibalekile into nejomi zabo zihloniphe nazi nalani ba umngane ethu ngoku
kwi-relationship akakwazi ukwenza izinto ezithile because now he is in a relationship with a full stop.
Hayi kodwa mngane ewe
qina
siyanqina mqwathi kodwa hayi
because I feel like when I jump there's a certain point is figure kuyo when it comes to friendship and relationship. There are certain things that you cannot do with ichomi zakho while being in a relationship. It doesn't necessarily mean ukuba we are guquka from being friends zakho, but nechomi zakho they have to understand ukuthi no umjita wethu now is dating.
Asisayovinca
to respect.
Asisayovinca bangasibali.
Asisayo kuyohanta, asisahandi ngoku.
Asisahandi ngoku. Yo, asisayenzi la.
Asisahandi ngoku.
Asiphumile marketing.
But yeah man, and also speaking about those zinto ezinjalo. I believe ukuthi it's safe to say ukuthi just find yourself someone that will match your energy. Someone that will love you. Allow yourself.
Yes.
Allow yourself to be loved. I know you might have experienced bad POV of love, but do not close yourself. Do not block yourself from being loved. You'll find your manager. ba
unakho ukhona
ukhona
umngane wethu shooting star yomuntu lo yabonakho naye usaziprotect umnganami ba angalimali njalo kodwa guys ukhona nimjonge bethu
yes yes but see how we still good. We're still good.
Ndifuna mqwathi sithathe let's touch on the thing ye-30. Ndivile ye-30 okazi izoba zi-business owners esibabe sesichile lathi mina ndayithatha i-business ethile ye-30 nawe sohlulelana. Hayi madoda engathi rhoxisiwe into yange-30 nawo ushiftwe to November beningayivanga
but engathi nami engathi iso sami nayo irongo alikho so alikho engathi iso sami nayo irongo ngeso singana nyani
ngaba sezodlala osibari bethu
wasezohlala manje osibari
ingxaki yami umqwathi ne andinangxaki more than nansi umbuzo wami xa ulapha eSouth Africa singenayo identity yakho as umuntu olapha eSouth Africa when you commit a crime asikwazi la crime ba icommithwe ngubani akho nto ibambekayo yakho elapha
you cannot be traced kunana some affairs
you ghost so you are a danger to us
to society
because uyayibona South Africa njani xa sifuna uklina ilizwe ngokukuyiva kwami ngqwathi in my point of view
yes
sifuna uklina ilizwe as South Africa may all foreign nationals zisiphe le chance sikline ilizwe zingene ngabutsha kuqinisa umthetho kwi-borders umuntu angene ngabutsha wonke umuntu lapha abe recorded yes kufakwa amacingo wonke umuntu lapha abe recorded so that it can be safer for abanye abazayo mqwathi abatata abadecide baba benzele much too much abalelanga abavuka babenzele much too much bahleli phansi babona ba hey sizawufa ngenye imini abantwana bethu sibashiya kulizwe elinjani aliko safe ilizwe uyabona wena mqwathi so si South Africa ngoku I think it has reached a time uba sibone ba siklina ilizwe lethu sicela wonke umuntu noba une permit noba unayo ipermit ungene ngabutsha usinikela xesha siqale ke sikline ilizwe lethu then uphinde ungene kabutsha uyabo under strict measurements ungabikho umuntu la asimazi bawo lapha noba ngakrwitsha wena mqwathi ashiye nale nto yokukrwitsha ngayo asikwazi nom identify is that safe for our children
it is not safe
exactly so no hard feelings but siyacela nje ba ingenzeka lonto okanye urhulumente azama indlela yoyicontrol ba wonke umuntu lapha unregistered and registered
goduke
yeah asiphe ispace as
asid like but
agoduka asiphe space sikline ilizwe lethu phinde ubuye
yeah I think uyitye yonke
nditye yonke mntakwethu uthi abaze ngenyanga bahambe ngenyanga sizayiprovide transport surely as South Africa because akuliwanga remember we only xa sisopha we bleed the same blood uyabona our skin tone is the same asixabenanga into esiyithethayo
sifuna ulungisa ikhanda hey hayi
wena onekhaya lakho sithi nje sizawuphinda ube grand kumande South Africa I know guys I want to go number beningongaphandle
yes
I know but siphe nje elixesha silungisa ilizwe then you will come back again
yes yeah so with the few minutes that we are left with I would like you to send a message or any motivation to someone that is dealing with mental abuse, someone that is depressed, has a lot that is happening in her or his life, because as much as it is focusing on men, but I do not want us to actually forget or to block
Sishutela phandle guys and there's a lot happening. There's a lot guys. It's fine guys.
But it's fine. But yes, you get.
So
please send a message on your motivation to someone that is depressed, someone that is dealing with mental abuse, whether in a relationship or outside the relationship, whether it's a young person or it's an old person, because it just deals with the umuntu.
Yeah. Mqwathi andifuna uyiza ngoba iya ebantwini.
Yeah.
Because abantu phandle apha ayizonto zothenjwa abantu. Find God.
Yes.
Find God. Forgive yourself. First, jonga ezinye izinto. Just first forgive yourself. After uzixolele, find God. Because in God there is love. Mna andizohlala kule podcast
and life.
Ukuphosisele ndithi ya kwichomi talk to someone. dibana noThixo. Thixo
Yes.
sisihlobo esihle sinothando.
Amen.
Unconditional love.
Yes,
Uyabo
Thomas,
uzayifumana pha. Find yourself God, guys. Buyele encwadini. Go to the book of life. Uzawubona pha how to live life, because uzibona ukule meko ukuyo because you've separated ways from the way of life. Find God, man. Jesus loves us all, bro. What do we need as a depressed individual? You need God. God will guide you through. Through the scripture, you'll find life. Yes, thank you, sir.
Thank you, Thomas. Thank you. And also, I would like to just add, there is something that I as I was going through some life changing things, ne?
Yes, sir.
There's something that I recently noticed. Ukuthi, when life threw me is stones, I smiled. When life took a big part of my life, when life broke me down, I smiled. So technically, whatever happens in your life, do not lose who you are. You can lose wonke umuntu, but do not lose who you are. It is fine to take a break. It is fine to break down because you are a human being. You're a human being. Just do not forget to be yourself. Tandas, as Uchama said, and actually, yeah, man.
Pray, live, believe.
Pray, believe, and live.
Ablibala ubumnandi.
Yeah.
Ablibala ubumnandi.
Umnandi. Otherwise,
Bukeli podcast. Sohlala sikhona.
Sohlala sikhona, entertain always.
Asinda, ubukele
Every
podcast.
Sundays at 6 p.m. And make sure to check us on YouTube at Culture Convo. Network under Culture Convo Network. This is Jack, and Jack the presenter, Jack the host, Jack the MC. Jack and one guy when it comes to entertainment. Up and the no jambas. Your beautiful host with the most.
Beautiful, great, fun host.
Yes, Utavas. Utlat. Yes, make sure to subscribe, like, share mdako kwenu, in ex yako, in crush yako, your family member. And everyone, Tango is thank you, Buffett. See you on Sunday.
Allah.
Sharp.
Dabo, funeka uziphethe ndawo sithethe into ezibuhlungu.